Chin and Zechen made a game that wasn't licensed, son. They stuck it on the NES without Nintendo's blessing. And what they left us with that year, well, let me start confessing. You play a fella named Jack, a red hat on his head, a spy on a mission, cracking locks and filled with dread. The enemy's got secrets and you gotta steal their plans. But first you gotta solve these puzzles with your clumsy hands. Locksmith, oh locksmith, you're tumbling through the night, sliding blocks and dodging guards beneath the pixel light. The clock is always ticking and the puzzles never end. Locksmith on the NES, you were nobody's friend. The graphics ain't too pretty, kinda muddy, kinda rough. The controls feel like wrestling a bull, real stiff and tough. You're running through the hallway, shooting guards along the way. Then a Rubik-style puzzle stops your mission for the day. The difficulty's brutal, like a mule kick to the shin. You'll die 100 times before you even start to grin. No saves, no mercy, just a timer counting down. Old Captain Jack's impossible, the toughest game in town. Locksmith, oh locksmith, you're tumbling through the night, sliding blocks and dodging guards beneath the pixel light. The clock is always ticking and the puzzles never end. Locksmith on the NES, you were nobody's friend. Now Zechen made a lot of games that never saw the light. Unlicensed, underrated, lost to history's long night. But Locksmith, well, old Locksmith earned its place down in the dust. A curiosity at best, a relic gone to rust. So if you find this cartridge at a flea market someday, pick it up for laughs, my friend, but don't expect to play. A masterpiece of gaming, no, it ain't that kind of ride. It's a weird old slice of history with a spy hat full of pride. I give it 3 lone stars out of 10 beneath the moonlit sky. A tip of Jack's red hat to Zechen, and a long, slow country sigh.